Hello guys, welcome back. We're going to break down some battery saving tricks to help you improve your S25 battery life. We are going to start with some basics. First, quit all the apps and windows running in the background to save a lot of battery. Next, check out brightness settings from settings to display. You can use dark mode on your device to help save battery, though for this video, we're keeping it light. If adaptive brightness is turned on, turn it off so it does not keep going up and down and consume battery. If extra brightness is turned on, just turn it off if you want. Next, go to motion smoothness or refresh rate, and it's recommended to keep it on standard refresh rate to save battery. In the display section, visit screen timeout and make sure to keep it at a minimum level. From here, go back to settings to lock screen and AOD. We all know that AOD is one of the biggest reasons for battery consumption, but if you want to keep it turned on, tap on always on display to when to show. Here you can select your AOD to tap to show or auto, and you can also schedule it. Going back to settings, now visit the battery settings. First, visit background usage limit and make sure that the put on use apps to sleep option is turned on. You can check out other settings here to select which apps you never want to auto sleep. Go back to battery settings and enter battery protection, and it's recommended to improve overall battery life by turning it on. Here you can select basic, adaptive, or maximum to save your device from overcharging. Going back and scrolling down, make sure auto disable screen when battery percentage is 5 is turned on. Lastly, in this section, go up to power saving, where you can see a lot of options that will enable when you are on power saving mode. If you scroll down to the end, you can limit your apps and home screen option, so whenever you are on power saving, it will run with limited functionality. By tapping on these three dots, you can enter adaptive power saving, and it's totally up to you if you want to turn it on. Next, check out device care options from settings to device care. From here, it can optimize your device function and clear up your memories, so storage issues do not put pressure on your battery. Going back to the device care section to performance profile, it's recommended to save your battery by using the light mode. Going back to settings once again, visit Google to all services to devices, and it's recommended to keep it turned off to avoid extra pressure on your battery. We are almost done. And lastly, it's recommended that whenever you are not using your device, just keep Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or mobile data turned off along with location services. Every now and then, try to give your device a restart, and these are some handy tips you can use to improve the overall battery life on your S25. Thanks for watching.